Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Modern Combat 5. And I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting this for a long time because, Minecraft has really gotten to me. So I'm really sorry, but after this video comes, maybe tomorrow or the day after that, probably, I will be posting a gameplay review on a special game. And I'll also give a shout out to Church, a really good friend of mine. I found on YouTube with we will soon be doing something together. Damn, these ads making. So yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. And I think something happened here. Why can't I play? Yes. Let's do it, guys. Here we go. Defend. In defense assignment, you need to hold on to guns. Okay. Let's get eliminate the hostile. Let's do this, guys. Oh shoot. The fudge. And if you guys do notice, I did get a new gun. It's so powerful. Just look at this thing. Damn, these guys are hard to kill. Look at that pack. Oh shoot. Yo, they're up there. Oh my gosh, no. Am I dead from this? Got him. Let's see what's in here, quick. Whoa. Oh shoot. Okay, got him. No, this guy. Oh shoot. Kill. What is that in his hand? Yo, that's a big one. Got him. I do not know how that's a headshot. Yo, they just keep on coming in. Headshot. Again. Yo, back at it again with the headshot, bro. Oh, come on, damn Betty. Oh, are you serious? You got me serious. I hate these things. Damn. Well, here we go in 3. Let's put the state to charge. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, there we go. Shoot, these guys are hard. Okay, got that guy. Okay. Where's he shooting from? Oh my gosh. How much waves has he survived? Damn it. These guys are hard to kill. Oh shoot. Get a headshot. There you go. Damn. So much people. Headshot. I think the headshot killed him in one hit. Yo, look at that armor. Oh shoot. Is that a boss? I hate that. Gotta kill this guy. His armor though. Thank you. Did I win? Yo. That was harsh. Damn it. Mission Impossible. Yo, hashtag Mission Impossible in the comments right now, guys. I guess let's see if our limit can be. It's gonna show up on the screen. 3 likes. So let's do one more round. Cool. New unlocks available. MK badge. Stupid. Okay. Oh. Sick. That's a low. How much damage did that decrease? Yo, that damage though. The accuracy. Kids, do one more campaign. The fudge? Why can't I do this? What? Yeah, let's do this, but why can't I go on it? What? It's on the multiplayer. Still not loading? Well, let's just open some packs then. How much money do I got? Yo, that's a lot. I'm tempted. Let's just get for the video. Let's go. Let's see what we get. Okay, reveal all. Okay. Okay. 2 more. Hold that down. 2 we get. Yo, no. Explosive. 500. Wow. Okay, I hope we get a good thing. So that's just a really good gun. It's pretty heavy. Bad ammo. Yo. No, are you serious? Yo. Yo. Let's equip this piece of shit. Yo, how much guns did I get? Damn, Daniel. Yo, I'm summoning this. Okay. Can't see. That's actually a nice gun. Okay, let's check out this gun. Yo, I hate these advertisements. Let's check it out. I shouldn't equip this. Pretty good damage. Let's see this one. Assemble it. Yeah, that's good. See? What do we got here? Yo, nah, bro. Yo, that damage though. I have to use this. Damn. Yo, I'm equipping that. And last but not least, this. To assemble this one. What? Which one am I assembling? Can I upbeat it? Oh well. Damn, Daniel. So cool. Yo. Not even kidding. Damn. Damn, I shouldn't use this kit now. Yeah. Yo, that gun though. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button and subscribe, and